Good morning. Welcome to Apple Park.
AirPods Pro 3 deliver a breathtaking spatial listening experience. We designed a custom multi-port acoustic architecture, which precisely controls the airflow that carries sound into the ear. This transforms the bass response. It widens the soundstage so you hear every instrument and brings vocals into stunning focus across music, shows, and calls. And it gets even better with phenomenal active noise cancellation. Ultra-low noise microphones and advanced computational audio combined with new foam-infused ear tips for even greater noise isolation. This significantly improves performance, delivering twice the ANC compared to the previous generation, which were already amazing. Live translation powered by Apple Intelligence. Now, when you are together with someone who speaks a different language, like exploring a market abroad, AirPods Pro will help you understand them in your preferred language. Using a new simple gesture, live translation begins. Translating Spanish, while ANC lowers the volume of the person speaking, so it's easier to focus on the translation.
Hola, bienvenida.
Hi.
Hoy todos los claveles.
Hello, welcome. Today, all the red carnations are 50% off.
They will still be available for $249. You can pre-order them today, and they will be available September 19th.
Introducing Apple Watch Series 11. It's our thinnest and most comfortable watch, and it's even more durable. It starts with our proprietary ION-X glass, which is the toughest in the industry. We then apply a custom Apple-designed ceramic coating that bonds to the glass at an atomic level, making it significantly harder. So now it's 2 times more scratch resistant. Series 11 now includes the latest cellular technology, 5G. The new 5G modem and antenna architecture improve performance and provide even more coverage. Plus, it's more power efficient, using less battery for cellular.
We've developed a groundbreaking feature that can alert you to possible hypertension just by wearing your Apple Watch. Using data from the optical heart sensor, the algorithm looks for chronic high blood pressure by analyzing how your blood vessels respond to beats of the heart. The algorithm works in the background, reviewing data over 30-day periods, and will notify you if it identifies patterns of hypertension.
We are delighted to introduce Apple Watch SE3. First, it gets our most powerful Apple Watch chip, S10, which enables even more features. It brings an always-on display to SE for the first time. Now, you can read the time and see the watch face without waking the display. With S10, SE also supports gestures like double tap and wrist flick, so you can easily control your watch with just one hand.
Whether you're checking your pace in the sun or depth underwater, readability is crucial. So Ultra 3 gets a new display that uses our most advanced technology with wide-angle OLEDs and LTPO3. The display is now brighter when viewed at an angle, and thinner borders allowed us to grow the screen area without changing the case size. The result is the largest display ever in an Apple Watch. It can also refresh more frequently in always-on mode without affecting battery life, which means you can now see ticking seconds in watch faces, including a new face, Waypoint, that dynamically shows points of interest in relation to you. For athletes, the Workout app makes it faster to customize views and use Workout Buddy, a generative voice with Apple Intelligence that delivers personalized feedback to motivate you during your workout.
Apple Watch SE3 starts at just $249. Apple Watch Series 11 starts at $399. And Apple Watch Ultra 3 starts at $799. You can pre-order all the new models today, and they will be available starting September 19th.
iPhone 17 has a beautiful, more durable design and comes in 5 gorgeous colors: lavender, mist blue, black, white, and sage. The new design has a larger 6.3-inch display with thinner borders, so you can see more and do more. And the display of iPhone 17 features Pro Motion, just like our Pro models, with an adaptive refresh rate up to 120 Hz, designed to dynamically respond to your content for a smooth and power-efficient experience. When you're not using your iPhone, the always-on display efficiently adjusts down to 1 Hz. And the lock screen is even more useful with live activities and widgets. When outside, iPhone 17 is more readable with 3,000 nits peak outdoor brightness, our highest ever on iPhone.
We are thrilled to introduce the impossibly thin iPhone Air. At 5.6 millimeters, it's the thinnest iPhone we've ever made. And it's also exceptionally light. It's unlike anything you've ever held before, and it's packed with our most advanced features. The gorgeous 6.5-inch display is our best, featuring ProMotion up to 120 Hertz, always on, and 3,000 nits of peak brightness. And it's protected by the new Ceramic Shield 2, with improved anti-reflection and 3 times better scratch resistance than our previous Ceramic Shield. We're also bringing Ceramic Shield to the back of iPhone for the very first time. It's 4 times more resistant to cracks than our previous back glass. It also protects the new plateau that now houses major internal components at the top of iPhone.
The iPhone 17 Pro design is more than just a fresh, bold new look. It also delivers a dramatic leap in performance that makes this the most powerful iPhone ever, by far. And it starts with an entirely new approach to thermal management, which is critical to system performance. We meticulously manage power and surface temperature to make sure iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 17 Pro Max always deliver exceptional performance while remaining comfortable to hold. At the heart of the new thermal management system is an Apple-designed vapor chamber. Deionized water is sealed inside the vapor chamber, which is laser welded into the aluminum chassis. This efficiently moves heat away from the components, allowing for higher sustained performance. All the new models will start with 256 gigabytes of storage, giving you more room for your photos, videos, apps, and memories. iPhone 17 starts at $799, keeping the same great price. iPhone Air starts at $999. And iPhone 17 Pro starts at $1099, the same great price as last year's 256 gigabyte iPhone 16 Pro. And for the first time, a 2 terabyte configuration is available on iPhone 17 Pro Max.